Hey guys, I hope you cannot hear Elizabeth's show in the background. If so, it's called Word Party, and all the songs get stuck in my head and it's terrible. Anyways, okay, so I have my base done because I've been doing pretty much the same base for a while now, like the Younique blusher brush. I do like the e.l.f. one, but it's not as firm, and sometimes I feel like I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit easier to apply with this. Yeah, so I don't know, and I'm going across the bridge of my nose. Must be an exciting part of the show out there. All right, I think we're in good shape. And since my, like the base of my hair is dark again, I have gone back to the Dipbrow pomade, the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ash Brown. I'm excited because I'm testing out a new lip product, which you know I like rarely do. I use like the same lip liners and lip gloss and that's it. But I'm really excited about the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. I got it in Lead the Way, which is one of the like mauve, pink, natural looking colors. So I'm pretty excited about that. I know it doesn't take much. But I really do think that it's a very pretty color, and I feel like it's a natural, neutral, like everyday one. So I'm excited about that. Okay, I'm going to go into the Makeup Revolution Chocolate Elixir palette, which does smell like chocolate, if you're wondering, if you haven't played with it yet. It legit does. Okay, one of the downsides of this palette, or the Makeup Revolution palettes in general, is that they don't have labels for the individual colors. So I'm going to go into the top right color, which is like a peachy pink. I tend to feel like those colors look really good when my hair is lighter. I don't know why, I just like them. And I'm going to use a Morphe M433, so just like a big buffing brush. And it is, wow, it is a lot pinker than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little more sort of orangey, burnt orange. I like that. It's funny with the colors, like the pigments in the Makeup Revolution palettes, it really is hit or miss. A lot of them are hit. I'm not, you know, complaining. It's just some of them are miss. Like some of them when you try them, you're just like, not much to it. But obviously colors like this, I mean, this is like super vivid, really pretty. It's blending nicely. It's just really cute. It's a bit more bold than I expected, which is pretty cool. So I think I'm going to go into the color right next to it, which is also a matte, but it is a bit more of like a grayish brown. I'm going to blend that into the crease, and I'm going to bring that onto the lower lash line as well. So this is just going to kind of take the pink down a little bit by putting some like, you know, like a grayish brown in there, maybe tone it down a teensy bit. Okay, and then I'll take it onto the lower lash line, and this is again a mix of these two colors, but mostly that grayish brown. Oh, I like that. I think for the inner corner, I want to try a little bit of this. It looks like it has a little bit of a sheen to it. It's like a yellow, a light yellow, like a gold almost, but definitely more like mustardy. I'm going to give that a shot in the inner corner. All right, it's coming out quite matte. But it's cute. Okay, so I'm going to take it also down onto the lower lash line as well. Oh, cute. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Wouldn't You Know. This is a nice dark brown. Right, so now we're going into our Uemura eyelash curler, which thank goodness has returned from the Deep Lagoon. I don't know how I lost it and couldn't find it for a hot minute, and I was pretty frustrated about it. So happy it has returned. So happy. Okay. And I'm gonna do, I've been doing just the Lashblast Fusion Mascara. Alright, just had to zhuzh the hair a bit. Okay, so eyes are done. I did 2 coats of mascara on the upper lash line and 1 on the lower. And now we are gonna go into Lead the Way. And I'm not doing any liner or anything like that. I just want to see what this does on its own. Okay, so the tip is definitely pretty precise, especially since it's sharp and you have the option to actually sharpen it as well. And it's nice. It's a little darker than I anticipated, but I know colors like this can be, you know, like I could make it a little less vibrant if I were to put lip gloss, like something underneath, you know. But I actually really do like it. I think it's cute. We've got a mauve pink color palette going today. So it does feel like, it feels good. It doesn't feel drying, but it's not a gloss, so it is, you know, kind of like matte. But it does feel good. And it comes off a teensy bit, but not much. So I think that we are in pretty good shape. And even compared to the eyeshadow, which is a pinky, this looks more like mauve, which is pretty cool.